Have you ever seen a baby swan in space? Meet Joy, a soft white swan plushie floating aboard the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station. At first glance, Joy may look like a cute toy, but in space, it serves a purpose. It's the zero-G indicator, a tradition started in 1961 by Yuri Gagarin, where astronauts carry a small object that begins to float the moment the spacecraft reaches microgravity. But why Joy? Why a swan? The answer lies in a beautiful mix of science, culture, and family. The swan holds deep meaning across the nations represented in the Axiom 4 crew. In Indian mythology, the swan is sacred, a symbol of wisdom and purity, and the divine vehicle of goddess Saraswati. In Polish and Hungarian traditions, it represents grace and resilience. But this particular swan carries more than symbolism. It carries emotion. Joy was chosen with love by Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla, inspired by his 6-year-old son, Kyash, lovingly called Sid. The name reflects exactly what it brings: joy, not just to the crew, but to everyone watching. So when Joy gently begins to float in the capsule, it's not just a sign of zero gravity. It's a symbol of unity, childhood, and culture, drifting peacefully in the silence of space. In a mission powered by science, sometimes it's the softest passenger that speaks the loudest. If Joy brought a smile to your face, hit like and subscribe for more inspiring stories from space. Until next time, keep looking up.